Hey everyone, it's Sydney, and today I am doing a huge Dollar Tree haul. But I feel like I picked up only the good things, because sometimes I feel like it's just like random stuff that you're buying, like, oh, this is cool, but like, what would you actually use that for, type of thing. So today I have been collecting things for a really long time, and I'm gonna show you the best things this year, 2019 Christmas Dollar Tree. Okay, so I love getting gift bags from the Dollar Tree because obviously they're so inexpensive, and this year they had some really cute selections. So my theme is gonna be red and white with like hints of green, but mainly just red and white. So I found these Merry Christmas bags. These are super cute, they're huge. I like to do that because it saves me time from wrapping. And then also, I found only one of these. I wish I had more, but I would love, oh wait, I got two of them, just kidding. I wish there was more because these are really great. They're so cute. They have that, farmhouse feel. I love these so much, so I'm gonna keep looking out to grab more of these this winter. The smaller bag selection, I thought these were really cute. I picked up like 4 of these, and it says no peeking until Christmas. I love the feel of it. These are super like high-end looking, and I just thought they were so cute with like the fonts and everything like that. Next up, for our baking options, I loved this Merry Christmas cookie box. I thought this was really cool to take to friends or family members' houses for Christmas. Next on that, I found this really cute cup of cheer cookie platter, because cookies and parties and things like that. So I was excited about that. I only grabbed one of them because I wish it wasn't this weird like bluey green color. I wish it was just either green or white. So I only got one of those because I thought it was cute, but Next up, you're gonna see the process of a little DIY project I was working on. But I bought these mason jars, and then I bought the little trees. It came on a pack of 2. And I bought those, and I'm gonna basically turn these upside down, put some water and glitter. And I know they have glitter at the Dollar Tree, but I forgot to buy some. And then these will be kind of like little snow globes. I don't know, but yeah. Got that from the Dollar Tree. Now I don't feel like I really like this. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I thought maybe for like the coffee bar or something, but this weird little wreath, okay, I really don't like this now that I have it in my hands. But yeah, bought that. This one's definitely cute for the coffee bar. I like it. It says Jingle All the Way. Actually, I think I bought one from Target that was like a better red, because it's kind of like an orangey red. So I probably will like that one a little bit better. So maybe I can put this in like the bathroom or some other cute little corner. I also picked up a new wreath holder. Make sure you get these from the Dollar Tree, because if you go to Target, it's like $10.99, and other places they're obviously more expensive. So make sure you get yours from the Dollar Tree. I like it, the Dollar Tree. If you saw my fall haul, they had orange ones, so they really do match it with the holidays. I think they had like a red and green one too, but I just went with gold because I probably will just use this as like my all the time wreath holder. So yeah, I picked this one up. This garland is pretty cool. People use it for making their tree more full. I also found these little trees, and they're probably, I think it's the size of this box, but what people do, because like obviously it's sparse, you will just kind of fill it in with this garland, and it looks really cute and really full. So I'm gonna be doing that. I bought 2 of these. Moving on to some ornaments, I felt like I got some really good selections I was excited about. I picked up, I think like 4 or 5 of these. It's just this white, really pretty cross. I thought these were really cool because this is our first Christmas, so we're buying everything brand new. So I'm trying to see like where to put more money in and where to put less in. This isn't my favorite style of cross, but I do like the snow feel. So I did pick up a couple of these. And then I also got this 6-pack of snowflakes. I thought these were really cute. It comes with 6 per pack, so that's like a really great deal. They're obviously pretty thin, but I think they're perfect for what they are. I got 4 of those. I also picked up these little church ones. I thought this was really cute, this little white chapel, because I want our tree to be basically like red and white all over and just kind of like, snowy feeling. So I got these. And then I also picked up this, little guy that says, love. Here it goes. And they also had some that said like peace and joy. I think I got the joy one too, but I put it on a mini tree already. But yeah, these are really, really pretty, especially for some crafts and things like that. I also picked up a random white candle. Probably needed that for something, but you could always use that for, little candelabras and stuff from other places. Next, oh wait, there's more ornaments. I also got this one, which they're so tiny, but I feel like they'll be great for just like little filler places. And I liked this combination because it comes with 12, and they're all like, there's 6 really white, pretty, snowy, glittery ones, and then the other ones are champagne. So I thought these were really elegant and would look really, really beautiful. I don't know if this has to do anything with Christmas, but I thought this glass was so cool. And like, I mean, if you were to eat like drink milk and cookies, like that's so cute. It's a big mason jar, but it says made with love on it. And I don't know, I just like the feel of it. Like, this is a good size. Like, it's just cute. Don't you think this is cute? I know. I just thought it was really pretty, so got that. I was excited because the bags that I just showed you was from like 2 different trips. And then today I went to the really good Dollar Tree, and I was looking for these guys, and I feel like this girl thought I was a crazy person, but I bought all of them that they had. And they're these little deer. Look how cute they are. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. So I got a bunch of those. I just thought they were so, I don't know, I just love deer. And then I got a bunch of these red tall candles because my centerpiece on my table is kind of like a garland type, like garland thingy, I don't know. And then it has like some tall candle spots. So I got these red ones, and I also have some other things for the mantle that I'm gonna fill these with. So I was excited about that because obviously you get 2 for $1. That's a pretty good deal. And I really like this like poppy red. That's like what I'm really into this Christmas. And then our last item that I got is this Get Your Jingle On coffee mug. I thought these were really cute. They had a lot of different selections for coffee mugs for Christmas. Like seriously so many. This was the one that most fit my style of just like the white, clean, poppy red. They had some others that are more like, you know, traditional, you know, like kind of like the weird patterns. Like I just like things that are more like sleek, but I wish this was a little bit lighter of a mug because if you see my coffee bar, I like to like hang a few mugs on this like little thing I have. But I thought this would be really cute for that, but it's a little too heavy, so I'm just gonna drink out of it. All right, everyone, that was everything for the Dollar Tree haul for Christmas of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm excited to put this stuff on my tree and around my mantle and around the home. So if you like this video and you want more inexpensive videos for the Christmas time, go ahead and leave this a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can make sure to see more things when it comes up and you're not just, you know, lurking around. You're actually one of my friends. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.